that point you need to join with the center. Okay, now draw a perpendicular line to OP through the point P. Okay, through the point P we need to draw a perpendicular line. Through the point P, draw a perpendicular line to OP. Now this perpendicular line is your required tangent. Once again I'm repeating, with radius 25 mm, draw a circle.
Video off and madam.
Avuna, 1 second. वाहिद, वाहिद, यहाँ बैठ कोई ने मेरा वीडियो टच कर को वो रेज्यूम कर को क्या क्या की करता है, मैं जाओ बोलते सुनता नहीं, देखो क्लास चल रही बोले तो भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है बच्चे को, डोर डालो बाहर से। जीनिया डोर डालो बेटे, डोर क्लोज कर, हाँ लॉक डालो।
Madam, once again you explain.
You know ma, I have two kids at home. One is big monkey, another one is a small monkey. I can't handle these two monkeys, that is a problem. They won't listen. Yeah, we'll see ma here. We have a circle here with a radius 25 mm. With radius 25 mm, we have to draw a circle by selecting anywhere the center O center, 25 mm radius, we need to draw a circle. After drawing a circle, we need to mention the point P anywhere on the circumference, because in the problem it is not mentioned like you need to take on the top side or right side, left side, nothing is mentioned. So anywhere on the circle, you can mark the point P. So here I had taken the point P here. So this is our point P. To this point only, we have to draw the tangent and normal. So what you need to do, just simply join this point P. If I had taken the point P here, you people can take here, 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 wherever you want, you can take the point P. So simply join point P with the center. Okay, now this is our construction line to draw the tangent and normal. That means OP line need to be very small, very light. Now after joining OP line through the point P, draw a perpendicular line to this OP line. Okay, draw a perpendicular line to OP through the point P. That perpendicular line is nothing but a required tangent to the circle through the point P. Okay, just simply join center with the circumference point, or from the center to the point P. Point P can be anywhere on the circle. After joining OP, just draw a perpendicular line through the point P. That perpendicular line is your required tangent. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next question. What was the next question number? I didn't remember the question number for this. 3,
Fifth one, ma'am. Fifth one.
This was 5th. This was, no, this is 4, I think, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, write down the question. Divide a circle into 12 equal divisions. What, ma? What happened? Huh?
Moving that little down, ma'am.
Pad a little down. ఏం చేయాలి అయితే ఇట్లా పెట్టుకొని ఉండాలనా, ఎట్లా పెట్టాలి ఇట్లా? Divide a circle into 12 equal divisions of a diameter 50 mm. Okay, this is the question. Ma, please keep mute yourself. Ma, please mute yourself. It is the voice is getting disturbed. Now we have to divide the circle. We have to divide a circle into how many parts? 12 equal divisions. And diameter of the circle is given as 50 mm. So write down the solution. So diameter is given as 50 mm. Diameter is given as 50 mm. And now we need to draw one circle of radius 50 mm. Sorry, of diameter 50 mm. That means from here to here, the diameter is equal to 50 mm. Should not mention the unit. Now let us first of all draw the diameter. Let us consider this as a diameter AB. Okay, after that divide this into 4 equal parts. You can divide this into 4 equal parts. Now you have to take the center as O. Now what you need to do? OA you have to take as radius. Now let us name these points as AB, CD. Okay. Now what you need to do? OA as radius, A as center. You have to draw cut one arc above, another arc below here. Now D as center, 2 arcs. B as center, 2 arcs. C as center, 2 arcs. Total. So how many centers we have? Center A, center D, center B, center C. If you observe center A, OA as radius, you need to cut an arc above the line and below the line. If you consider the point D, one arc on the right side, another arc on the left side. If you consider the point B, one arc above the line, the other arc will be below the line. Similarly, if you take point C as center, one arc on the left, another arc on the right. So from each center, you need to cut 2 arcs with the same radius, that is OA. Or OA is also equal to 25 mm, which is nothing but radius of the circle. Now what you need to do? Simply name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 divisions. Now join 1 with 7, which we already have. Next 10 with 4, which we already have. Now 2 you need to join with 9. Through the center O it should pass. Now 11 with 5. 12 with 6. 2 with 8, I think. Yeah. That is the reason we got like that. Now 3 with 9. All these lines need to be passed through the center O. All these lines need to be passed through the center O. Like this, you can divide a line into 12 equal number of divisions. Draw a circle, divide into 4 divisions, take the radius of the circle, and from each center, cut 2 arcs. If it is A, above 1 arc, below 1 arc. If it is D, right side 1 arc, left side 1 arc. If it is B, above 1 arc, below 1 arc. If it is C, right side 1, left side 1. After joining, cutting the arcs on the circumference of a circle, join all these points which are opposite to each other through the center. All the lines need to be passed through the center. Okay, now these are the total 12 divisions. Is it clear, ma'am? Please complete these 2 things, ma'am. Make it fast. Complete JND. Is it clear for everyone? Anyone have doubts here? 2 problems. How to do the procedure is clear for everyone? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please complete
clear,
it fast, ma'am. Yeah, please complete it, ma'am. Here in both the problems, only the circle need to be dark. Here the OP line need to be light, dimension line also need to be light, and the tangent need to be dark. What I want to tell you is the question is circle, need to be dark. And the answer is the tangent, that also need to be dark. Meanwhile, in between, whatever the procedure you are doing to get this answer, that part is known as construction lines. So construction lines are nothing but in between the question and answer, whatever the procedure you are doing to get the answer, that procedure completely known as geometry construction methods. So these construction lines always need to be light. So here the answer is tangent, that need to be dark. Circle is a question, that also need to be dark. Coming for the second second problem, circle is a question that need to be dark, but meanwhile you're doing construction lines to get the divisions. Divisions raataniki you are doing all these arcs, you are cutting arcs, you're joining all these lines. Okay, these are all lines are known as construction lines. They should be light. Then what should be dark here? Only the division points numbers to be dark. Okay, ma, please continue. Make it fast. After completion, just let me know. I will go with the next process. If you are unable to get anything, you just let me know, ma.
Completed, ma'am.
Both, ma?
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm asking
ma'am,
both
both.
the answers, sir.
Yes,
Both.
ma'am.
Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Got the procedure, ma? Ochaya meeku? Ikkada tangent, akkada line division ochinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next topic is, here we completed geometrical construction method. Next topic is, put a heading, polygons, ma. Polygon. Next topic is polygon. In a fresh page, put a heading, polygons. Next page, put a heading, polygons. I'll hold like this while I'm drawing, okay, so that you can clearly observe from the near. Okay, polygons, ma. Next topic is polygons. Total we have different types of polygons. Polygons means, poly means more than two. More than two sides if we have in any plane, we'll call it as a polygon. And even I had given an introduction for this polygons also. Polygon means, we'll call the triangle as a polygon. Square is also a polygon. Rectangle is also a polygon. And rhombus is also a polygon. And pentagon is also a polygon. Hexagon is also a polygon. Octagon, like that. This is triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, and pentagon, and hexagon. Even we have octagon, heptagon. Okay, octa means you will have 7 sides. Hepta means you will have 8 sides. Even other types of also we have. These are the polygons. We will take only very important point, regular polygons. Regular polygons. Regular polygon means they should be closed. They should be closed and they should have a regular shape. Okay, the shape should be in regular in nature. These only will call it as polygon. If I draw like this, all the lines combination, we can't call this as a polygon. Or maybe you have Maybe you have more than two sides. Maybe the plane is closed, but it is not in regular in nature. That is the reason we won't call this as a polygon. So polygons means these are the polygons. Here you know how to draw all the polygons except from here. You don't know how to draw pentagon, hexagon, octagon, heptagon. So now in this topic, we will learn how to draw pentagon using general method, how to draw hexagon using general method, octagon, heptagon. Okay, how to draw these polygons. Only we will cover this because you know how to draw a triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, circle. You know all these types of planes, you know how to draw them. But we will learn only pentagon, hexagon, octagon, heptagon. These only we will cover in today's class. Now, first of all, general method. The method is general method. Okay, we have two types of methods. So first general method I am going to explain now how to draw a polygon using first general method. Let us take the question number 1. Question number 1, general method. Draw polygons. Draw polygon using 30 mm as a side length using general method. This question many times they asked in external exam. Important question. Okay. Now let us see. The procedure is very, very important, ma. We have to, like I told you, this is the first method. Even we have second method as well. Both the methods are very important. But in exam, you can select either one of this method, whichever you feel easy, you can take. But sometimes maybe it is specifically given that the method you need to follow if the name is given. But arc intersection method or angular method, the method is, if it is mentioned, then it will be difficult for you. Better you learn both the methods so that you can select. If nothing is mentioned in the question, you can go according to the easiness of the question or easiness of the procedure. But if it is particularly mentioned the method name, then you know there is no other option for you. You need to follow that method only. Now let us see. I will explain you how to draw pentagon. You can draw hexa, octa, hepta. Okay, because the procedure is same for all the polygons. Okay, the method is same for all the polygons. So I will explain only pentagon, how to draw the pentagon. Now let us see how to draw the pentagon. Please take the steps if you want. Otherwise, please listen carefully, pay attention. This is for 7 marks question. 7 marks question. And even for 7 marks, you need not to draw all the polygons. It will be mentioned clearly either the pentagon, hexagon, any of the two, or sometimes even only one polygon may be asked. Okay. Now let us start. First, you need to draw 30 mm is given. So first you need to draw AB of length 30 mm. And after that, you need to extend this length left side. Name this as O. How much you need to extend here? Whatever the length you have here, the same length you need to extend here. Now A as center, AB as radius, or A as center, AO, because the same length you are taking, you are in the middle. 30 you have to take the radius. Now draw the semicircle. Okay, center A, AB or AO as radius, draw one semicircle. Semicircle means what will be the angle? Angle of the semicircle. What will be the total angle of the semicircle? Can anyone?
180 degrees.
Very good. What type of polygon am I explaining here? Which one am I explaining? How many sides you will have in pentagon?
5.
5 sides. So you have to take 180 degrees by 5. How much you will get? 180 by 5. How much time you will take to tell the answer?
30, madam.
36.
36.
36 degrees. Now, you need to, if it is a pentagon, you have to take 5. If it is hexagon, then you have to take 6. Then how much you will get? 30. If it is octagon, sorry, heptagon, then you have to take 7. Octa means 8. Sorry, octa means 8. So this semicircle angle will be remaining constant. If it is a penta, you have to take 5 by 5. If it is a hexa, then you have to take 6. If it is hepta, then you have to take 7. If it is octa, then you have to take 8. Okay, depends on the polygon, you need to change the angle. That is the reason I'm telling you the procedure is same for all the polygons. The procedure is same for all the polygons, and only the number will be number of sides of the polygon will be going to change. This is only the change we have. Remaining procedure will remain same. Now let us see. We have AB. You need to place your protractor here exactly. Ikkade place cheyali. For 30 degrees, you need to put mark here. Name that as 1. 36 plus 36, how much you will have, ma? 70?
72.
For 72 degrees, put another mark. 72 plus 36? 108. For 108, put another one. 108 plus 72? 10, 8, 180.
186.
36 plus 72, 108. Another one will be 0, 36, 72, 108, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 divisions you will get. Now what you need to do, whatever may be the polygon, see here, ma. If it is 30, 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. If it is 36, 36, you need to put first division, 72, 108, after that 180. Like that you have to divide the divisions. Whatever the angle you are getting, that angle need to be added here. Now always you need to join the second division with A. It may be hexa, hecta, octa, whatever may be the polygon. Always you need to join second division like this. And remaining divisions you need to join with the light lines. Okay. 3 also you need to join with center A, and 4 also you need to join with the center A. And even whatever the divisions. Okay. Now if this is A, now let us, this is a point 2. Next, A2. Are you able to follow, ma? What we did here? AB as side 30. Same length you have to take here. Then total will become 60. Now A as center, 30 as radius, draw semicircle. You are drawing a pentagon, so semicircle angle is 180. By 5 we did 36. So 0, 36, 72, 108 and 150 and 180. Like that we have to take the, we have to divide the semicircle into 5 equal parts. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 divisions. Now after dividing the semicircle, join the middle line with the second point. Join the middle with the second point. It may be any type of polygon, you need to join with the second one only. Now what you need to do? A2 as radius, A2 as radius, 2 as center, cut an arc here on the second line. that is A3 line. Now wherever it is intersecting, join that line. Okay, name this point as some, we already have B, no? So let us mark C. Now C as center, 2C or same radius, cut an arc here. Now join this also. And the last point definitely will end up here. This as D. So like this, you will get the pentagonal shape. So first A2, second line automatically you need to join. First division you should not join, okay? Second division will become one of the side of your polygon. After joining A2, now A2 as radius, 2 as center, cut an arc on the A3 line. Wherever it is intersects, that is your point C. Next, join A with 4. Now C as center, 2C as radius, cut an arc on this A4 line. Wherever it intersects, that is your point D. After getting this, simply join with the B. It is now closed. Now mark the lines in dark. So only the pentagon need to be highlighted. Here you need to draw or you need to write pentagon. What
Please increase the
happened?
volume.
What is it now? Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Please draw this diagram, everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Draw the polygon, pentagon draw the first. Keep calci also with you so that you can easily divide 180 by 5. So what are the angles you will get? First, you need to mark first division at 36, second division at 72, third division at 108, next division will be at 144, and the last division will be at 180. So total 5 divisions. So you need to take 108 degrees by 5. Okay, ma? Note down the question first, then draw this. It is a common procedure for even hexagon, hecta, and octa as well. After completion, cheppandamma అయిపోతే we have another method. Is this method is clear for everyone, ma? Anyone have doubts here?
No, ma'am.
I'll just switch on the light. Light ఉంది అయినా ఎందుకు ఇంత చీకటిగా కనబడుతుంది ఇప్పుడు కనబడుతుంది కిటికీ షాడో పడుతుంది You need to write lettering like this. After completion of the drawing, you need to draw in lettering. Question also, I already shown you how to draw the question. మా ఎవరికైనా ఏదైనా రావట్లేదు, if you're not able to get anything, you can ask me. I will clarify your doubt. If you got stuck anywhere, you can ask. Have patience and do ma. Drawing is needed very patiently you have to do. Like other subjects, it is not theory, like you will be writing paragraphs and paragraphs. Here nothing is like that. You should have patience. Everything is in your hand only. How neatly, how slowly you do, that much neatly or that much good representation will be there.
Ma'am,
Because complete drawing. Yes ma. Yes ma.
మ్యామ్ టేకింగ్ A2 నుంచి రేడియస్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు మనం.
Yes ma. A2 radius.
అప్పుడు ఆర్క్ 3 మీద కట్ అవుతుంది కదా మ్యామ్ ఇక్కడ.
Yes ma. 2 as center you have to take.
అదే మ్యామ్ సెంటర్ తీసుకొని 3 దగ్గర కట్ అయ్యింది కదా మ్యామ్, అప్పుడు మనకి C పాయింట్ వస్తుంది కదా మ్యామ్.
అవును, ఈ లైన్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయాలి కదా, చేసావా? ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసావా లైన్?
చేసా మ్యామ్.
వచ్చిందా? ఆర్క్ వచ్చిందా?
ఆర్క్ వచ్చింది మ్యామ్. దాని తర్వాత
2C రేడియస్ తీసుకో.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఇక్కడ ఎలా తీసుకున్నావో ఇక్కడ కూడా అలానే తీసుకో, లేదంటే సేమ్ రేడియస్ పెట్టుకొని C సెంటర్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు యూ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ ద సెంటర్ ఫ్రమ్ 2 to C. C సెంటర్ పెట్టుకొని సేమ్ రేడియస్ తోటి నెక్స్ట్ A4 లైన్ మీద కట్ చేయు.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఆమా,
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
after getting the point D, you simply join D with B, because the pentagon will be closing at the same starting point kada. So you need to directly join, no need to cut arc again, just simply join it. డ్రాయింగ్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ విత్ పెన్సిల్ ఓన్లీ మా. నేను ఇక్కడ పెన్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను, మీరు పెన్ యూజ్ చేశారు. You have to use the HB 2H pencils. Only the pentagon need to be highlighted here. That pentagon you need to draw with the 2HB pencil. Remaining semicircle, these all divisions, arcs, these all everything need to be with the 2H pencil. All these lines need to be very light. As I told you, only the question and answer, these two need to be dark. Remaining in between, whatever the construction you are doing to get this answer are known as construction lines. Those construction lines need to be very light. Okay, keep that in mind. Our question is AB line of length 30, that need to be dark. Our answer is pentagon, that need to be dark. In between we had drawn all these semicircles, these all divisions with an angle 36. These all need to be very light. Okay, keep that in mind ma. Variation is very important. You have to show the variation between actual diagram and construction lines. And the dimensioning also you have to give like this, however I had given. Minimum gap you need to maintain from the boundary line of your actual object. Minimum 10 mm is needed. 10 mm is needed means you need not to measure it with scale. Simply you can maintain some gap and you can draw. Not very far, not too near to the diagram. That only you need to keep in your mind. Day by day, if you are getting practice, then easily you can understand how much space we need to give. Starting, you may be facing problem to take that gap, but slowly you will learn. Yes, ma, anyone completed? Anyone completed the diagram? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma, if you are not replying to my question, I will think that my voice is not reaching the people. Someone need to answer. If you have finished, you just tell yes. No means I will wait. That's all. మీరు రిప్లై చేయకుండా మాట్లాడుకోకుంటే నాకేం అర్థమవుతుంది? వాట్ ఐ విల్ థింక్ దట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ హ్యాపెండ్, సమ్ కనెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ దేర్, సంథింగ్ ఐ విల్ థింక్. నో, ఎనీవన్ కంప్లీటెడ్?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
వెరీ గుడ్. అయిపోయిందమ్మా గీసారా? ఓకే, 2 more minutes I will wait, ma, otherwise I will go with the next one. Make it fast. Amma, అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు, why don't you try to draw hexagon? Try to draw, ma. Start చేయండి. You have to draw all, right? అన్ని డ్రా చేయాలి, పేజెస్ వదులుకోండి. You need to leave a space for all the remaining diagrams, remaining polygons with the same method. Leave a space for remaining diagrams as well. Okay, whoever have completed, just try to draw the next diagram. Don't waste time. However, the remaining you need to do as a homework in your observation only. If you are not able to get, no problem, ma. You can ask in the next class. But you need to finish by today evening itself. When you come for the next class, I will check how many of you completed. If you have any doubt, no. If you have doubt, if you are unable to draw, let it be. You can ask doubts in the next class. If you don't have doubts, just go ahead and complete it. But I will check. At least you have started or you have tried or not, I will check. Definitely. That for sure. Simply, madam, I'm unable to draw, madam, I'm not getting, madam, like this. If you are giving the reasons, I will check. Where you tried, you need to show me first, then I will clarify your doubt. I know this generation students are really genius there. They won't use their brain in studies. They will use in something else. How to escape from work, how to escape from exams, smart work, all smart works. Everything need to be in ready-made form. So we are also becoming smart now by seeing you people. Done, ma? Most of you at least completed this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Only 3 SS came. The remaining sleeping. They had their lunch and they might be sleeping. This is not just listening, copying from your friend, ma. This is a practical subject. Unless you draw by your own hand, మీ కళ్ళెదురుగా డయాగ్రామ్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది, still you can't copy from your friend. That is for sure. Because in exam hall, how you will be sitting in desk, drawing table will be there in front of you. కళ్ళెదురుగా డయాగ్రామ్ కనిపిస్తుంటుంది కానీ కాపీ చేయలేరు. Because unless you practice it. ఇప్పుడు మీకు బొమ్మ చూపిస్తా, గీమంటాను, ఎట్లా గీస్తారు? Without knowing the procedure, is it possible to draw? That is the difficulty level of the diagram. This is subject. It is easy if you follow the steps, if you draw on your own. It will be difficult as much as it is easy, that much difficult it is. I'm telling you one, this is last and final. I will not repeat this kind of words to you because it is your subject. You need to pass the subject, you need to get marks, you need to gain the knowledge from this subject. Because I am expert in this subject now, I don't need not to learn how to draw these all diagrams. Okay, it is your job now. Explanation part I will do my job. Explanation I will do. But from your side, చెప్తున్నా మీకు, in front of you diagram will be there. Your friend may be doing, he may be showing you, but you will not be able to copy the diagram. That is the speciality of drawing. It is not a theory simply you can copy from your friend. There is a procedure in between with the question and answer. If you are not able to do that procedure, ఇప్పుడు పెంటగన్ నేను గీయమంటాను ఇక్కడ గీసి, how you will copy without the procedure? No, you can't. See, ma, this is the difficult. Again and again I will not. all these things. You're done with this. We'll go to the next method. This is next method. Same question I will take. I'll take a polygon. Same question I will take, but the second method or the general method only. It is also known as general method, but it is using bisection. Previous method was angular section, angle method. This is bisection method. Both are known as general method. If nothing is specifically given in the question paper, then you can go either the previous method which I had shown or this method. Okay, the question will be same. What was the side of the polygon which we had taken in the previous problem? What was the side length? How much we had taken? 30 mm, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here also I will take 30 mm only, and I will show you how to draw this. Okay. Now here also the question need to be dark. In every problem the question need to be dark. AB, and the length of this is equal to 30. Okay. Now draw a perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line from the point B. From B, you need to draw a perpendicular line. And now join this line. Wherever it is intersecting, that is your point P. Okay. How much length you have to take this PB length, which is equal to 30. So draw AB horizontal line, which is given the side length of the polygon, side of the polygon. So you need to draw AP, sorry, you need to draw BP perpendicular, that means 90 degrees line of length 30, or the side length of the polygon. After that, simply join A with P. After doing that, to this AB line, mark the middle point. It is 30, so middle point, it is easy to mark the bisection point or midpoint. It is very easy. 15 mm you can take. If it is, for example, 35 mm, then dividing this into two equal parts is exactly into equal parts is difficult. So better you go with bisection, line bisection. Okay. Find out the midpoint of AB line, and from here also draw the perpendicular line. And now wherever this AP line is intersecting this this AP line, wherever it is intersecting or perpendicular and passing through the point P, name that as 4. I will tell you what is this 4. Okay. Now what you need to do? AP as radius. No. Yeah. A4 as radius. A4 as radius, 4 as center. You need to draw one arc. Or else even you can take AB as radius, B as center also, you can draw this arc. Or else even you can draw AB as radius. Now this side only you can draw. AB as radius, B as center, you need to draw one arc. Name this as 0.6. Is it clear how to get 0.4 and 6? First what we did, we need to draw a horizontal line of given side length 30. Then from the point B, draw a perpendicular line BP, perpendicular line, and the length need to be equal to 30. After that, directly join A with P. Now wherever this, after joining AP line, find out the bisection point for AB, name that as O. Now through O also draw a perpendicular line to AB. Now wherever that line is intersecting on AP, name that point as 4. After getting that point, take AB as radius, B as center, draw one arc from A to P. AB as radius, B as center, draw an arc. Now wherever it is intersecting on the perpendicular line, name that point as 6. If this is 4 and this is 6, how to get 5 in between? Can anyone? How to get 5? Middle point వస్తే 5 వస్తుంది. Nothing you need to do. 4 as center, more than half as radius, cut one arc here, another arc, one above, another one below. Same radius, 6 as center, cut these two previous arcs. Now join. Wherever cuts, that is your point 5. Now you can have one particular division distance. You can take 4, 5 radius or 5, 6 radius. 6 as center, cut an arc on this perpendicular line. Name it as 7. Now 7 as center, cut another point, name it as 8. Another point 9. Okay, like this we need to total mark 9 points. Is it clear, ma? Any doubts still here? Anyone are not able to get anything? What we did here after getting 4 and 6, after getting 4 and 6, what you need to do? 4 as center, more than half as radius, you need to cut an arc above, another one, that is left side, right side. Same radius with 6 as center, cut the previous ones. You will get the bisection point. Join these two, you will get the 0.5. Now one division distance will be equal to 5, 4 or ఇక్కడ నేను ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మిడిల్ లో రాలేదు, మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు మళ్ళీ. either you need to take the radius 5, 4 or you need to take the radius 5, 6. Now 6 as center, take this 5, 4 as radius, 6 as center, cut an arc on this perpendicular line. You will get the 0.7. Same radius with center 7, cut an arc on the same perpendicular line, you will get 8. Now 8 as center, same radius, whatever we had taken here, cut to 9. So like that, total 9 divisions we require. Now we can draw 4. If you take, you will get a square with 4 sides. 5th division if you are using, then you will get pentagon. If you are using 6th center, then you will get hexagon. If you are using 7th center, then you will getting heptagon. If you are using 8, then you will get octagon. If you are using 9, then you will get nanogon. Okay, depends on the division which you are using here, that many number of sides you will get for the polygon. Now we need pentagon. For pentagon, which center we have to take? 5 as center, this 5 as center, 5a as radius. Just simply draw a circle. This circle need to be light. Okay, what we are doing here, 5 as center, 5a as radius, just simply draw one circle. After drawing the circle, AB as radius, A as center, cut an arc. That point you name as C. Now C as center, whatever the radius we had taken here, or this 30, cut an arc, you will get the point D. Now D as center, same 30 as radius, cut another arc, you will get the point E. Now simply join AC, D, E, B. You will get the pentagon. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear for everyone? If you take the center as 6 and 6a as radius, if you draw a circle, and if you take the radius here, this radius, and you will start cutting from here, then you will get 6. If you are taking center, then you will get hexagon. 7 you are taking heptagon. 8 means octagon. 9 means nano. Okay, is it clear, ma? Will you do this? Please draw this diagram, draw the procedure. Better I should sit like this. Now it is, the light will be on. Yes, ma, are you able to do this one? Will you do it? Yeah, now draw for, hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
మా బాబు మాట్లాడండి అమ్మా, మీరు కామ్గా ఉంటే నాకు అర్థం కాదయ్యా మీరు ఉన్నారా లేదా అనేది. డ్రా చేయండి డయాగ్రామ్. చేస్తుండండి, మీకు మధ్యలో ఏదైనా డౌట్ వస్తే అడగండి.
Okay, ma'am.
ఓకే మా, డూ.
మేడం
ఎస్ మా.
మేడం ఏ నుంచి పి వరకు ఆర్క్ డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత మేడం
ఇది లైన్ అని ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయిన పాయింట్ ఇది 4 అని పెట్టు, ఆర్క్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయిన పాయింట్ 6 అని పెట్టు. ఇప్పటికి 4 కి 6 కి మధ్యలో ఏముంటది? 5 ఉంటది. నువ్వు 5 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తావు? ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ 2 ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్, హౌ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద మిడ్ పాయింట్? బై యూజింగ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్షన్. ఏం చేయాలి? 4 as center, more than half as radius, you need to cut 2 arcs here. Same radius you need to take from the 6th center, cut the previous 2 arcs. Both, if you join both the arcs, you will get the point 5. Point 5 వరకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత చెప్పు. ఏమో
Thank you.
అర్థమైందా?
ఎస్ మేడం.
అర్థమైందమ్మా? చెయ్యి, పర్లేదు, అక్కడ వరకు చెయ్యి. మళ్ళీ డౌట్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ అడుగు.
ఓకే మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే. If anyone completed, just let me know, ma. Yes, ma. Doubt, amma? Any doubt? Anyone finished? Yes, ma'am. Asking you people only. అయిపోయిందా ఎవరిదైనా? No one. I told you when I'm asking something, you need to reply. If you are not replying me, then I will
Ma'am,
think.
2 minutes.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for answering that.
Ma'am, please explain how to draw circle.
If you want pentagon, you need to take the center PA. This one you need to take and you have to draw. 5A.
Okay, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు హెక్సగన్ కావాలి అనుకో, then you have to take 6A. Hepta means 7A. Octa means 8A radius. Center also will be that point only. Now center will be 5 for pentagon. Radius will be 5A. Yes, ma. No one completed, ma. Still, you're doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting or any problem is there, ma?
Getting, ma'am.
Okay. You people are taking so much of time, ma. In examination, this much time will not be available. Okay, I can understand it's a new subject for you. Then definitely difficulty will be there, but don't take much time because in exam you have to draw diagram. Then after you need to give nomenclature, naming, dimensioning, numbering. These all you need to do. Total 5 questions within 3 hours. Slowly means you are completely doing it slowly. Huh? Anyone completed?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. వచ్చిందమ్మా ఆన్సర్? Got the answer? పెంటగన్ వచ్చిందా మీకు? హలో.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma. Have you got pentagon? అయిపోయిందని చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకి పెంటగన్ వచ్చిందా అని అడుగుతున్నా. రాలేకపోతే రాలేదని చెప్పండి. వచ్చిందంటే చెప్పండి. రాలేదంటే ఎక్కడ రాలేదు, ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ కోసం అడిగితే మళ్ళీ చెప్తాం. అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి is it possible to share your screen? Whoever have completed, please share your screen, ma. I want to check how you people did. Who complete? Who is the person that they told completed, right? Few of you. Who's that? Which roll number? Yes, ma. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
మా కంప్లీట్ అయిన వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి షేర్ చేయండి అమ్మా స్క్రీన్. ఎస్ మా మీరు ఇంకా తీస్తూనే ఉంటారు నాకు తెలుసు, మళ్ళీ గీసుకోండి ఇంకా. సో హియర్ వి కంప్లీటెడ్ టోటల్ బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ డ్రాయింగ్. In basics of engineering drawing we completed lettering, dimensioning, after that geometrical constructions and polygon. So in polygons I explained only pentagon with both methods. Now you people have to draw hexa, octa, hepta. Nanogon avasram ledu, only with 6 sides, 7 sides only you need to do, and 8 sides. Total for each method you need to draw 4 diagrams. Okay, as just now what sir told, he will be creating one email. So after creating email, what you need to do, basics of engineering drawing, the PDF with PDF name, you need to upload basics of engineering drawing with your roll number to that email ID. Okay, and I will correct and I will check. After completion of this only you send ma. Okay, not individual topics, completely from starting. Lettering should be there, dimensioning need to be there, lettering, dimensioning, geometrical constructions and polygon, construction of polygons. 4 with dimensioning, naming should be there, dimensioning need to be there, and these points and all need to be there, and naming, polygon with lettering you have to draw. So everything you need to complete it. Question number also, how I used to give number 2 in a circle, like that you have to draw, and you have to upload that complete document in a form of PDF with your roll number to the email ID mentioned. Okay ma, when you want what till which date you will be submitting, it is up to you. So you people only suggest the possible day for you, how many days you want. You only suggest me when I need to put it as a last date,
Already start
because you
scheduling.
need
Already
21 madam. 21 madam.
remaining
21st is
these
last
polygons also, no? These polygons also you need to include, no?
Then
2 days are enough for you. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, when by Wednesday will you submit?
No, ma'am.
Yes madam.
Eh?
it would be
Why
some
no?
difficult, ma'am.
Why ma? You already completed all the topic. Dimensioning over, geometrical construction over, lettering over. Only these polygons you need to draw, right? ఇది ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాలేదా, రాలేదా, ఎక్కడైనా స్ట్రక్ అయిపోయారా? People can ask me now. Next topic will be starting conic sections. In conic sections, on a single day I will explain how to draw ellipse, tangent, normal, parabola, hyperbola. All the 3 I will explain in one day, so that we can finish all the 3 diagrams at a time. Okay, is it okay for you ma? Will you submit by Wednesday evening 4 o'clock anta submit chestara?
Yes ma'am.
Thursday morning ki submit cheyandi, no
Okay
problem.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay ma'am.
Thursday morning ki submit చేయండి. ఒకవేళ ఏమైనా పెండింగ్ ఉంటే Wednesday ఈవినింగ్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి Thursday మార్నింగ్, ఇంకా అడగొద్దు ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ నన్ను. మీరు
Okay, ma'am.
చెప్పకముందే నేనే ఎక్స్ట్రా టైం ఇచ్చి, కాబట్టి Thursday కి అందరూ షీట్స్ సబ్మిట్ చేయాలి. ఎవరైనా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడే క్లారిఫై చేసేసుకోండి. నేను మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేయను ఏది. నేను అడిగినప్పుడు సబ్మిట్ చేయమన్నప్పుడు నాకు అది రాలేదు అన్నారంటే మాత్రం నాకు ఫోకస్. If you are not able to draw anything, you need to ask at the same time. If you ask, I will explain n number of times. I am your faculty. My job and my responsibility is to explain you until you understand the concept. That is my duty. I will do. Your duty is, after completion of my explanation, you need to draw practically and you have to submit it back to me. That is your job. When I am doing my job perfectly, you also need to do your job perfectly. Because you are the student, you are going to write the exam, you're going to get marks. If you are unable to draw, then you are going to fail. So the impact will be on you only. Think in that mindset and please carry the subject in that way only. నేను ఇందాకే చెప్పాను మీకు, this subject is even If you put chits also, it is difficult. Even if you want to copy from your friend also difficult. Maybe your friend diagram is completely visible to you. In front of you only the diagram is there, but it is not possible to copy from your friend also, I'm telling you. Without procedure, you can't do. These are just simple polygons. Next, we will start ellipse. I will explain you ellipse concept, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. First, I will give you the introduction. Okay. These are all ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. These three types of polygons are known as, sorry, they are not polygons. They are known as conic sections. What the name is given? Conic sections. What do you mean by cone section means? When you section the cone or when you cut the cone with different angles, whatever remaining is there, that will be in a shape of ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. That is the reason we are calling ellipse, parabola, hyperbola as conic sections. How we are getting? When you section the cone with different angle, you will be getting different types of conic sections. If you cut horizontally, if you cut a cone horizontally, which shape you will get? Can anyone? Cone undi horizontal ga cut chesaru. ఏ shape వస్తుంది? Very good. You will get a circular shape. Similarly, different angles. When you change the angle, the curve will be different. Angle name antaru. Cone lo different parts. What is the top face is known as, bottom face, surface is known as, axis name antaru, height name antaru, base name antaru. We'll discuss everything about the cone. After that, ఏ angle తో sectioning ఎంత చేస్తే ఏ plane వస్తుంది, ఏ conic sections shape వస్తుందో కూడా we will learn in the next class. After that, we'll start learning the construction methodology. Okay. Is this polygon is clear for everyone, ma? Here we completed sheet number 1. Here we completed sheet number 1, basics of engineering graphics. Sheet number 1, title, basics of engineering graphics. Topics need to be covered under this is lettering, dimensioning, geometrical constructions, construction of polygon. Construction of polygon, 2 methods, 2 general methods. Is it clear, ma? Thursday morning is the last date for the submission of sheet number 1. You need to scan everything and you need to upload to the email ID mentioned. Okay. Yes, ma. I will assign it to Chandu sir. Anyone who completed, can you people share your screen, ma? Complete అయిన వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి polygon ఎట్లా గీసారో share చేయండి. Please tell me the roll number whoever completed. Who is the roll number completed? Any one roll number at least. Yes, ma'am, asking you people only. The answer చేయరు ఏమని అడిగితే నో రిప్లై. హలో
మేడం అయిపోయిందా మేడం? వచ్చిందా మేడం?
సార్ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను, వీళ్ళని అడుగుతుంటే చూపించండి అమ్మా మీరు చేసింది ఒకసారి చూస్తా నేను అంటే ఒక్కరు కూడా రెస్పాండ్ అయితలేరు. అసలు నో రిప్లై.
ఏమ్మా మీరు భయపడకండి మా, మీకు చెప్పా కదా మీరు క్లియర్ గా. మేడం అడిగినప్పుడు చూపించండి అమ్మా ఒకసారి. నేను చెప్పాను మీరు
అడుగుతున్నా ఏ రోల్ నంబర్ చెప్తే నేను ఆ రోల్ నంబర్ కి షేరింగ్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్తాను, చూపించండి అమ్మా అంటే వాళ్ళు చూపిస్తారు.
ఎందుకు మేడం వాళ్ళు వీడియో ఆన్ చేస్తారు? మీరు మీరు అడగండి ఎవరు చెప్పండి ఒక్కసారి. ఎవరు
ఒక రోల్ నంబర్ అయిపోయింది మేము చేసినాము అంటే నేను చూద్దామని ఒకసారి. అసలు వీళ్ళకి
Good
వస్తుందా
evening, ma'am.
రావట్లేదా గీత?
చిత్తమ్మా
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్.
somebody is calling.
21, ma'am.
21 అంటే మేడం
21 ఏం చేయాలి నీకు?
ఈ షోయింగ్ మేడం. ఓకే మేడం ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు మేడం క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను, అయిపోయాక చెప్పండి నేను వదిలిపెడతా మేడం.
నాది అయిపోయింది సార్.
అయిపోయిందా మేడం? అయిపోతే మాట్లాడతా మేడం.
సరే. రోల్ నంబర్ ఎంత అమ్మా నీది? నువ్వు షేర్ చేయగలవు
21
వీడియో?
మ్యామ్.
చేసావా? షేర్ చేసావా నువ్వు వీడియో?
వీడియో ఆన్ చేశాను మ్యామ్.
ఎక్కడ నాకు కనిపించలేదే. వీడియో నాది చూపిస్తోంది మరి నాకు. ఓకే, నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే మా అక్కడ చూడు, పాయింట్స్ పెట్టలేదు నువ్వు. యూనిట్ పుట్ పాయింట్స్ నో.
ఓకే మ్యామ్, వాళ్ళకి
ఏబి ఆ పెంటగన్ పాయింట్స్ పెట్టాలి. అండ్ మిడిల్ లో నువ్వు డాటెడ్ లైన్ గీసావమ్మా. దట్ లైన్ నీడ్ టు బి డార్క్. కంటిన్యూస్ లైన్ ఉండాలి, అది యాక్సిస్ లైన్ కాదు కదా. లాంగ్ డాష్ డాటెడ్ లైన్ పెట్టావు. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి వచ్చేసి ఓన్లీ పెంటగన్ మాత్రమే డార్క్ ఉండాలి. నువ్వు సర్కిల్ కూడా అన్ని లైన్స్ డార్క్ గా డ్రా చేసుకో. ఓన్లీ పెంటగన్ మాత్రమే డార్క్ ఉండాలి, మిగతా లైన్స్ అన్ని లైట్ చేయి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఓకే మ్యామ్.
2H పెన్సిల్ యూజ్ చేయి. పెంటగన్ ఒకటి డార్క్ ఉండాలి. గుడ్ గుడ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెవరిదైనా అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు షేర్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఎస్, నెక్స్ట్. నేనే అడుగు, అప్పుడే సచ్చినట్టు మంచిగా చెప్తుంటే అర్థమవుతుంది పిల్లలకి. రోల్ నంబర్ 9. Who is roll number 9? Roll number 9.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Amma. Will you share your screen? Just
Ma'am,
show me
ఇది
how you have completed.
రాలేదు మ్యామ్, రాలేదు. ఇది చేస్తున్నా ఇంకా.
నువ్వు ఎంత వర్క్ చేసావో అది చూపించు.
Yeah.
నేనేం నిన్ను కొట్టలేను కదా ఇప్పుడు. ఇక్కడ ఆన్లైన్ లో మా ఇంట్లో నేను, మీ ఇంట్లో నువ్వు మహా అయితే 2 మాటలు చెప్తా అంతే కదా. కొడతానా మీ మీద? మిమ్మల్ని ఏమైనా చంపేస్తానా నేను? కాదు కదా. ఎందుకు అంత భయపడి? అది అతి వినయం ధూర్త లక్షణం అంటారు. అట్లుంది మీకు. అంత భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదమ్మా. నేను మీలాంటి మనిషిని. అసలు షేర్ చేస్తే కదా. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఆ అబ్బాయి షేర్ చేశాడు, ఏం మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెప్పాను. తిట్టానా నేను? ఏమైతుంది చూపించు. నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ ఎంతవరకు చేసావో చూపించు. రోల్ నంబర్ 9. రోల్ నంబర్ 9. What happened? Roll number 9, I told. I'm asking you to show roll number 9. 9 diagram. 23 is showing. బాబు 23 నీ పెంటగానే ఏందయ్యా అట్లుంది? ఓయ్యా బాబు. రోల్ నంబర్ 23.
మేడం.
Your diagram is wrong.
ఓకే మేడం.
అది ఒకసారి చూపించి ఏం చేసావో నాకు తెలుస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి షేర్ చేయి. చూడు సర్కిల్ ఎక్కడొచ్చింది అది. నాకు తెలిసి నువ్వు పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ తీసుకోలేదు కదా 4 and 5 మధ్యలో. యు డిడ్ంట్ డిడ్ దట్ సర్క్యులర్ బైసెక్షన్. అందుకే నేను అడుగుతుంటే చూపించట్లేదు. ఆరో హెడ్స్ చూడు ఎంత డార్క్ గా చేసావు. అంత డార్క్ ఉండకూడదు, లైట్ గా చెయ్యి. యు నీడ్ టు డ్రా ఆరో హెడ్స్ లైట్. అండ్ ఏం చేసావు? మధ్యలో 5 ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ తో పెట్టినావు. నువ్వు ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ తో పెట్టకూడదమ్మా, పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ చేయాలి. అందుకే రాలేదు నీకు. ఓకేనా? అర్థమవుతుందా నేను ఏం చెప్పాను? ఏం చెప్పాను చెప్పు. 4 and 5 లో ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ తో పెట్టినావు కదా, అది ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ కాదు. దాన్ని నువ్వేం చేయాలంటే పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ మెథడ్ ఒకటి డిస్కస్ చేసాం చూడు మనం స్టార్టింగ్ లో. 4 సెంటర్ పెట్టుకొని మోర్ దెన్ హాఫ్ రేడియస్ తీసుకొని 4 నుంచి 2 ఆర్క్స్ కట్ చేయాలి. 6 నుంచి 2 ఆర్క్స్ కట్ చేయాలి. ఆ 2 జాయిన్ చేస్తే మిడిల్ లో వస్తుంది. 4 కి 6 కి మిడిల్ లో రావాలి 0.5. నేను ఇక్కడ పైకి పెట్టానని నువ్వు కూడా పైకి పెట్టుకుంటే ఎట్లా? అందుకే నీకు మిస్టేక్ పోయింది. మిగతాదంతా నీట్ గానే చేస్తున్నావు కానీ అక్కడ పోయింది చూడు మిస్టేక్. అండ్ ఆరో హెడ్స్ కొంచెం లైట్ గా డ్రా చేయమ్మా. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మేడం. ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే. ఏంది మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఏం చూపించట్లేదు? ఓ బాబు మీరు చూపిస్తే కదమ్మా నాకు అర్థమయ్యేది. నేను రోల్ నెంబర్ 9 అడిగిన 9 ఇంతవరకు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. రోల్ నెంబర్ 9
మ్యామ్
ఏమయ్యా మీ ఇంటికి రమ్మంటావా ఏంది నన్ను ఇప్పుడు? ఆ అడుగుతుంటే చూపించడానికి ఏంటి?
చూపిస్తాను
ఆ నువ్వు చూపిస్తే కదా నాకు తెలిసి నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు. ఏంది చీకటి గుహలో కూర్చున్నావా ఏంది ఇక్కడ? ఏంది ఏం చూపిస్తావు నువ్వు అసలు? నీ ఫేస్ ఎందుకయ్యా మాకు? నీ డయాగ్రామ్ చూపించయ్యా బాబు. నువ్వు ఫిక్స్ అయినావు కదా ఈరోజు మేడం కి నేను రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వకూడదని. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నేమ్? రోల్ నంబర్ 9. నీ పేరేంటమ్మా?
సాహిత్ మ్యామ్.
సాహిత్
ఇది
మేడం కానీ ఫిక్స్
ఫ్రంట్ ది ఓన్లీ ఫ్రంట్ క్యామ్ వస్తుంది మ్యామ్. ఇది బ్యాక్ క్యామ్ అని చేసి
రొటేట్ చెయ్యమ్మా, రొటేట్ చెయ్యి. ఇగో నేను మీకంటే ఎప్పుడో టెక్నాలజీ వాడిందా, నాకే జూమ్ ఆపరేట్ చేయడం వచ్చింది. మీకెంతమ్మా పబ్జీలు గిబ్జీలు అన్ని ఆడతారు మీరు. మీకు ఇదో లెక్కన జూమ్ వాట్సాప్ ఇట్లా కింద మీద పడేసి ఆపరేట్ చేస్తారు.